Okay. This is the way I make these toys for Armand or the shelter cats. You just need paper towel rolls or toilet tissue rolls. And it's really easy. Just simply cut in a swirl. Cut, cut, cut until it gets like a spring. That's all there is to it. You cut it. This is a nice activity also to do with kids with a blunt scissor. It's a lot of fun and it's safe. And if you want to make like a little accent, you can cut little ridges, little tails at the end. So this is all it is, and this is Armand's happiness. And you can also make little rings, little kittens. But anyhow, this is it. This is how you make squiggly cat toys. There you go. Your toys, right, Boo Boo? You get to cover you up. Cover him up, nose. Cover him up. Yes. You love your toys. You love your toys, Mr. Man. You do. Yes, you do. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Where's that silly cat? Hmm? Oh, there he is. There he is.